Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal. I just log into my account officially. Now I will be moved in my wallet icon, which is top right corner bottom, and just tab on withdraw. So after withdraw, you will be just selected the currency of coin. So just tab on it on USDT I have, and send via crypto network. Just tab on it, and after next, here you will just tab on the first one, select address, add a new address, and you can just log into your PayPal account and just tab on this Bitcoin crypto. And after here you can also scan this barcode or copy the address and paste it here in this address. So after next you will just select the network of arrival timing, which is short time. You can just select it like PNB, and after next just tab on this address origin, and it was an exchange or wallet. So I will just tab on exchange or wallet. So from here you can just select the platform. If don't you will find PayPal, you can just select the other and type in below PayPal and save it. And after next, wallet label, so you can also mention the your wallet label, and this is how you can withdraw. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.